Hi Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 10th to August the 12th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin, Leo. So Leo, ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang ang lungkot-lungkot natin ngayon dahil parang nagising ka sa katotohanan. And then, parang you were left out with no choice but to let go, separate, move out, walk away. Parang sinuntok ka ng katotohanan, feeling mo na, ay, hindi naman pala ako mahal or minahal ni person. Yun yung assumption, yun yung sinasabi nating um, reality na parang nabuo mo, no? With your observations dito sa relationship. Mahal mo pa rin yung tao, no? Nandito pa rin tayo na kahit na sa gabi tumitibok ang puso natin, naaalala natin itong si person, no? We actually tried moving forward, pero parang ang sinisigaw pa rin talaga ng puso natin is yung itong si person. I don't wanna say ex yet, no? Kasi parang nakakakita rin ako dito na meron ding mga hinahanap-hanap ikaw nitong person na ito, 'no? May mga times na iniisip ka pa rin ng taong ito. May mga times na gusto niyang marinig ang boses mo, gusto ka niyang makita, 'no? Kahit sa video call. The Strength card, the Six of Wands, and the Temperance. I am seeing alam mo, may bibigay dito. Chances are, kung sino man itong taong bibigay na ito, siya yung nagpaalis, siya yung sabihin nating nagmatigas. Kasi sa ngayon the more na sinusurpress nitong taong ito yung feeling, no? The more na pag napuno ito sa sabog, parang na-pressure, no? Imaginein mo yung isang balloon, no? Na yung hangin, they're keeping it. Pero pag napuno na, no, na nasagad itong elasticity nung balloon, puputok ito. And that's actually the time wherein this person's going to reach out, no? That's why I mentioned na um, meron akong nakikita na parang kaya ayokong tawaging ex, no? Kasi I'm seeing pause. There will be an apology here. Um, but yung apology dito is not the usual apology, no? It can be their own way of saying I'm sorry, no? Itong taong ito is merong sariling way ng pagsasabi na sorry. Either buying gifts, composing a music, wow, composing a poem, no? Posting something on social media that would remind them of you and him or her, no? With the Ten of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles, I feel like itong taong to medyo mataas lang ang pride, pero inaantay niya, no? Siguro sabihin natin, once na bumalik kunyari, itong taong ito or kumatok sa pinto, kunyari ako itong nagmamalaki, ako itong um, nagmamatigas. Pero pag pumasok sa pintuan, no, parang dire-diretso na. Parang hindi na natin kailangan pag-usapan pa yung mga nakaraan. Hindi na natin kailangan pag-usapan pa yung naging issue, no? Ganun niya nami-miss, no? Parang, okay, let's move forward with the Two of Wands and the Ten of Wands and the Sun. Hirap na rin kasi, no? Nakikita ko dito, hirap na rin na mag-move forward, hirap na rin na to go on the day without the other person's presence. the Ten of Wands clarified by the Five of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune. For a few numbers of you, baka meron ditong sinasabi na, bakit bakit kasi tumatabil ang aking bunganga, no, ang aking dila? Bakit kasi nasabi ko yon? Either ako 'tong nagpaalis, pero ngayon gusto kong bawiin, or either ako 'tong umalis, gusto ko naman bumalik, no? There's something about here na parang lulunok ng pride, no? With the Four of Cups and the Page of Pentacles. The Four of Cups in here, so far, no? Kapag yun, katulad niyan, nasabi ko yung paglunok ng pride, meron agad rejection, no? Kilala kita, no? Meron agad na rejection. O ako, lulunukin ko yung pride ko. Never akong susuka ng, never kong kakainin ang sinuka ko na. 'Di ba? Yung mga nasa isip. With the Seven of Swords and the King of Cups. Sige lang, no? Parang yun lang ang sinasabi ng cards. Sige lang. Dahil the more that you are denying it, the more that you are trying to neglect, reject the idea of it, the more it compresses and the more it's gonna have some pressure, and later you're just gonna break down. And pasasaan ba? Kasi nakikita ko naman, whether or not si Leo man ang mag-start, yung kanyang person, these connections still gonna move forward and continue. So let's check the zodiac, the emotion. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion, no? You light up my world. And I remember the day we met like it was yesterday. So it felt like to me, there are walking down memory lanes. There are things that I think that both of you remembers, no? In the span or during the separations, no? Admit that we miss the person as well. So reconciliation is in here, but it may take a little while. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Pisces, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer. Yeah, Taurus is here, Capricorn is here, yeah, Leo is here. So this is your reading, Leo. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV, no? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Leo, kilala nyo po ang inyong sarili, no? So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan, kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no? Dito po sa description box, nandun po yung aking link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information. Ibaba nyo po doon, nandun po yung QR codes, name, number, no? And for your reference, I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box, no? So this is your reading, Leo. I will also want you to know na tuloy ang ating manhunt. So nasa description box pa rin po itong mga link ng fake accounts. Report it, take a screenshot, send it to the designated email, no? So this is your reading. Kung gusto nyo pong malaman itong nasaan ang mga exes natin, doon po sa Facebook, that's actually Babaylan TV. Love and light, namaste, see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Leo.